Hi, this is Maya with the Art of Reiki Healing, and I'm so excited. I just got these, the Sacred Self-Care Oracle cards by Jill Ply, and they're awesome. So I'm going to do this unpacking for you. The packaging is really nice, a good sturdy box. Oh, and look what's inside. How magical. Okay, let's see. Oh, take care of yourself so you can shine your soul's light. Wow, okay, so A+ on the packaging, definitely. We got this little book here, a little guidebook telling you about a couple of different spreads, and then the meaning of all the cards with the pictures of the cards there up in the corner. Nice. And then these cards, oh my gosh, adorable, held together with this little piece of paper. Ooh, the thickness is really nice. And it's got these beautiful purple back. And let's check out these cards. Abundance planning, alone time, aromatherapy, be still, beauty ritual. Wow, these are great. So colorful. The cards are really nice, and such a beautiful deck. Really nice thick card stock. So I think I'm really going to enjoy this. Make a meal. Awesome. Make a vision board. Ooh, this is one of the cards actually that I saw when somebody else was doing a reading with these cards, and I thought, wow, this is a beautiful deck, and I really like this card a lot. I love myself, brave, beauty, worthy, grateful, healthy, happy, positive affirmations. I choose love. Well, that's what I'm all about, choosing love. Well, I am really excited about this deck, and I would definitely suggest this deck. Let's see how it handles. Oh yeah, it's nice. Yeah, this is a really nice deck. So there you go. Gorgeous little set. And thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.